Say what?
Let's do it, baby. Yeah. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ. That went fast. And welcome to another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times a little bit weird. Today's episode is all about how you incorporate, and I'm probably going to botch how this is pronounced, but how you incorporate the frisson and Solfeggio frequencies into your craft. Now, in order for me to do this properly, I should probably look a little bit more intellectual, since that sounds so bourgeois as it is. So here goes. There we go. So I'd like to talk to you about the frisson and Solfeggio frequencies. Thank you. These are frequencies that tap into the neurosis of our brain, like the deep-seated parts of our brain where we're just like, you know, like that primordial ooze, like, you know, just that Neanderthal portion of you, that those frequencies are the things that make the hair on the back of your neck stand up, like give you goose pimples. Those are frequencies that have been discovered to elevate certain brain waves within your noodle here. I must say, those are like super cool. For me, as a filmmaker and a photographer, don't use anything on my photos, but I must say, for the films, I do look for those tones and songs and frequencies where they're going to make you go, oh my gosh, I just have to hire this guy. Wow. So what about you? What do you use for your films? Do you embark on the frisson and Solfeggio frequencies? If you do, share downstairs in the kilt zone. I would love to learn more about what you do. That's it. Let's wrap it up. So that's it. And this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ for another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and weird. And if you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Thank you. If you're not a subscriber, bruh, what's your problem? Subscribe. And then don't forget to hit the notifications, the bell, the ding dong. I'll send a raven. And until next time, remember to do something properly. Oh, wait a minute. Stay caffeinated. And I'll see you soon. I feel like such a dork wearing these. Oh my gosh. I was like, I'm going to talk like, you know, Thurston Howell, you know, from Gilligan's Island and all those bourgeois people. Pinkies out. Okay, see you later. Oh, by the way, at the end of that video, the Esquire. Okay, see you later. Bye, ciao.